Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to easily change voice using Vegas Pro. So without any further delay, let's start it. I already added a sample video clip in timeline. Now let's play this video a little bit.
They'd need to be. I understand, you need some place to put your hands when you're holding a thing in tablet mode, but damn, that is just weird. The speakers...
So this is the normal voice of this video. Now I split it right here. Let's say if you want to change the voice of this little portion of your video clip, then simply hit on this little icon, Event Effects. Then in Plugin Chooser, select All and select Pin Shift Plugin and then hit on Add and OK. Then you will see this little box, Audio Event Effects. Here you see different type of presets are available. This time we add a value of pin shift from 0 to 6. Alright, let's play this clip now.
For $1,000, the highest end, biggest, newest iPad Pro. You know what else you can get for $1,000? The Microsoft Surface laptop, a MacBook Air. So this thing is kind of competing with those in that price point. And then my philosophy on 2-in-1s has always kind of been, when you're trying to be both...
Very funny, right? Let's say this time I split it again and change the video voice of this little portion of this audio clip. In the same way, I just simply click on this event effects icon and select pin shift and hit add and OK. And this time I decrease the value of shift pinch. This time I set it in -6.
Definitely
and here
huge.
it is.
Like bigger than I think they'd need to be. I understand, you need some place to put your hands when you're holding it.
And this is
But
the
still,
normal
holding
one.
something like this and trying to ignore all the buttons on the back as easy as they are to press is just...
Also, you can easily change the video voice using these presets. Third up, third down, shift up. To set everything in default, use default all parameters. This time I choose shift down.
Trying to ignore all the buttons on the back.
Alright. In this way, you can easily add different type of voice effect in your video clip. Thank you so much for watching.